This is my backyard. In my backyard I have this big tree over in the corner. I put a big birdhouse up there, about 14 inches square with a gable top. Got a 3-inch hole in it. I was hoping to get a kestrel hawk or an owl. Instead I got bees. I got a beehive up there. Thousands of bees. Boxed about 15 feet off the ground. I'm going to zoom in. There it is. I don't know if you can see it, but it's loaded with bees. This is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon in Southern California. And what I did was I attached the birdhouse to a 2x4, and then I attached the 2x4 to the tree. So I got a guy coming this afternoon. He's gonna bring some scaffold, a couple of beekeeper outfits. I'm gonna help him remove them. He has a bee vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum them up and then cover the entrance hole with mesh. And then we're gonna disconnect it from the tree and bring it down, and he's gonna take it out of here. So that's the game plan. In the next part of the video, I'll show you how it goes.